Hello, my name is Kitze. Welcome to another vlog. It is 8 a.m. and today I'm doing a workshop. Usually when I do workshops, they last from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. with a 1 hour lunch break in between. And they consist of me talking a lot and losing my voice at the end of the day. I slept 3 hours and this is gonna be an exhausting day. Let's go!
So, the workshop is going great. My streaming setup is super useful in workshop conditions because, especially this monitor, I can see a preview of what they see here. I can see their chat, the participant list. I can see their faces right here next to the camera. So while I'm looking at the camera, I'm also looking at them basically. And then down here, I have my list of exercises and the list of things I need to tell them. The mixer, I use it for mixing how loud they are, how loud is my microphone. I also listen to music without them listening to music because it makes me more relaxed when doing the workshop. Here I have whatever they see, so here they have the code instructions and stuff, and here I just see a preview of the workshop and I have Slack open on that side. So far so good. Okay, so the training attendees are having a lunch break. I'm having a breakfast break. Not gonna eat lunch because when I eat lunch and when I eat a lot during a workshop, then I cannot talk and I need to talk a lot. That's the point of a workshop. Today on the menu we have... Fuck, I spilled it. It's not peppers, it's spelled food. It's oatmeal with peanut butter and pears or plums or I don't know.
Okay, we can put this down with the workshop. It's 5:20 p.m. The workshop went great. I'm happy that people learned something. I would say that I finally can relax and I'm gonna a little bit with some pizza and beer and celebration things. But tomorrow we're releasing glink.so to 50 people. And you should totally listen to my advice and release on Fridays. That's the way to do it. If you're confident in your code, you're gonna release on Fridays and then go and party all weekend. Okay, let's see what Santa brought me. Let's see what we... How can this be? Yes, my precious. Wow, this is big. This is like really big. What? Look. New gaming keyboard, who this? Basically, I started gaming in the living room, and in the living room, my keyboard that I'm using is garbage. So I wanted a keyboard that is not very expensive, but it also does the job, and it's not a... You know, I got used to a mechanical keyboard, so now just pressing... Oh my god, it sounds like first world problems, I know. But it's... I want a nice keyboard for gaming. Jesus, don't judge. You spend money on coffee and friends and people and other stuff. This is actually very ugly, but okay. Oh, so I guess the price makes a difference because the other one, which is a gift from Pranit, thank you again, it actually is, I don't think this is mechanical. This just looks like mechanical. It's not bad. It's gonna do the job. I'm gonna lose in games anyway, so whether I do it with mechanical or non-mechanical, who cares? Okay, let's go to the next one. This, guess, if that was a keyboard, what should this be? Issue number 2 with my gaming is that I was playing with an MX Master mouse, which is not a gaming mouse, and it's very slow and it's very clunky and it's very heavy. So I got a wired Razer Death Adder 2. I'm actually using the Razer Death Adder 1 on my computer for a year or two maybe. Now I switch, now I'm not switching, but I'm gonna use this one for couch gaming. There's a new interesting video on my couch gaming setup coming soon as I complete all of my parts. Nice, the mic is here. I got this smart lamp thing. So when I'm wearing this, it doesn't have to use the mic on it. I can use a way smaller mic, put it under my shirt. I'll be a secret agent. There's that. Sockets, sockets, sockets. Socket City. And the last thing is a clamp. So this is all basically for the living room gaming streaming setup. I'm gonna clamp my phone as a... How does this... Ah. Yes, nice. Okay, so I'm gonna clamp my phone using this in the living room in order to stream video games. Way too many streaming setups. And I guess that's the unboxing. This is my second breakfast for today. No cakey thingy. It's a smoothie orange something. Told you I'm leading a healthy life. You'll see later in the vlog how healthy am I. too many wings in one video.
I'll answer a question of the day maybe in tomorrow's vlog, because I really want to get off from this chair. I've been working for 40 hours straight basically, and I need to chill. So I really appreciate you watching. If you watched until the end of the video, smiley face. I appreciate you. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you like the video, if you dislike, you can unsubscribe and unhit the notification bell. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!